Welcome to the 5-Minute Show, where we unravel the complexities of human behavior in 5 minutes. In today's episode, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, recognizing the hidden signs of narcissism. Join us as we explore key insights and practical tips to identify these traits swiftly. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's embark on a quick journey to decode the subtle cues that might be right in front of you. Let's get started. Number 1. Charming exterior, manipulative interior. Narcissists use their charm to hide their tricky ways, taking advantage of others without really caring. They deceive people with their charisma, leaving a lot of emotionally tired individuals behind. They're good at creating illusions, making it hard for people to see their selfish reasons. This leaves others caught up in a confusing and tricky situation. Number 2. Constant validation craving. Watch out for people who always need praise. They might be narcissists. They constantly seek compliments to boost their fragile self-esteem, leaving others feeling tired and unsatisfied in relationships. Behind their endless desire for admiration is an emptiness that can't be filled. Their constant need for approval makes them depend on others in a harmful way, creating a toxic cycle in their relationships. Number 3. Empathy deficiency. Narcissists have a hard time understanding others' feelings. They put their own emotions first, showing little empathy. This can cause problems in relationships, creating emotional distance. Their emotional detachment acts like a wall, making it challenging to form meaningful connections and keeping them stuck in a cycle of isolation in their relationships. Number 4. Exaggeration. When someone constantly brags and exaggerates their accomplishments, it's often a cover-up for deep insecurities. The narcissist creates a false image of self-importance to hide their fragile self-esteem. Underneath all the showiness, their self-worth is shaky, and they use boasting and exaggeration as a protective shield against their inner insecurities. Number 5. Exploitation tactics. Lacking compassion. Narcissists use manipulative tactics for personal gain, damaging trust and leaving behind a trail of broken relationships. Their strategies prioritize their own needs, disregarding the well-being of those around them, leading to shattered connections and diminished trust in their wake. Number 6. Entitlement and superiority complex. Exhibiting an unwarranted sense of superiority, narcissists act as if they're better than others without valid reasons. They insist on special treatment and adopt a condescending attitude toward those they see as inferior. This behavior disrupts relationships, creating an unhealthy dynamic where the narcissist's need for superiority erodes the equality and mutual respect essential for healthy connections. Number 7. Avoiding accountability. Having difficulty taking responsibility, narcissists avoid blame, deny wrongdoing, and downplay the impact of their actions. This perpetuates a cycle of dysfunction, hindering genuine personal growth. Their habitual evasion of responsibility becomes destructive, as they consistently deflect blame, deny their mistakes, and minimize the consequences of their actions, sidestepping the opportunity for real personal development and perpetuating a pattern of dysfunction in their relationships and pursuits. Number 8. Pattern of broken relationships. Complicated relationships filled with frequent conflicts may indicate narcissistic tendencies, where individuals find it challenging to prioritize the needs of others. This struggle contributes to a trail of toxic connections, characterized by a lack of empathy and a focus on self-interest, rather than fostering healthy, mutually supportive relationships. Number 9. Control and manipulation tactics. Narcissists wield control through manipulative techniques like gaslighting and undermining, sowing doubt and eroding trust. By distorting reality and diminishing others' confidence, they create a toxic environment that undermines the well-being of those in their midst. This calculated approach leaves individuals grappling with shattered trust, distorted perceptions, and compromised mental and emotional health. Number 10. Fragmented self-image. Beneath their outward confidence, narcissists conceal a fragmented self-image, reacting strongly to judgments. Criticism jeopardizes their delicate self-esteem, revealing the inner turmoil masked by their facade. Recognizing these signs is crucial for safeguarding oneself from the potential harm associated with narcissistic behavior. As we wrap up this insightful journey on the 5-minute show, we hope you've gained valuable insights into spotting narcissistic traits. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick dives into intriguing topics. We'll be back with another dose of knowledge in our next episode.